Last time our character reacted to when the mouse got close to it. Now let's make it run away like this. So if you build the last project, you're already halfway there. And this time what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit more to our script so that we can make it move away from us. To do that, we need to go to our control and we're going to select if then, this one here, and add it underneath the other if then or else statement. We're then going to go to operators. Click on this operation here, which is something greater than 50. Put it in. And we're going to add in the same things as before. So we're going to go to sensing, distance to mouse pointer, add it into that section. So it becomes mouse pointer is greater than 50. After that, what we're going to do is we'll go to motion. We're going to add a move 10 steps. So instead of just changing costume, we're adding movement when the mouse gets close. Let's test it out. Aha! Now, it's moving towards where our mouse is. The way to fix that is like this. We change this move to -10. So we change this to -10, it means that now, instead of coming towards us, it's going to run away from us. And if we get stuck at the top or the bottom, we can use the X and Y axis, add them to 0 to bring it back to the middle. We can click and drag it. Another option would be to use the other operator. So if something is less than 50, it'll move 10. So if we do mouse pointer in here, we see that it moves away if we get closer. So the mouse pointer is less than 50, it moves closer. A lot slower, so it's not going to be as fast moving away. It's up to you what one you want to use. Have a go, play around with it. I'll leave it like this for now. We need to point in the direction of our mouse. And to do that, if it's not already doing it, like mine is we need to go to motion. We're going to go point towards mouse pointer. When we do it, it'll always point towards the mouse pointer. You see it'll move wherever I want, but it's always facing the mouse pointer. If I wanted it to move all around in any direction, when it gets close, it's a bit more crazy. But you can change that. Well, we already had the set rotation style to all around. I'm going to leave it as left and right. I just find it's less chaotic and it works just for what I want. So now that you've got this reacting to when you're moving, you can have a go at changing different things. Change the distance. I might want to make it 100. So it means my mouse is further away. I could change maybe to a 2, so it's a slower step. So it's like a little glide away from me. You notice that the costume is changing at the same time. If I wanted to change the costume distance, I might want to change when it moves away from me as well to keep it in line with each other. And I can test that out. And you see it's doing it at the same time, moving away. This is the time when you can change your sprite, you can change the distance, change the speed, and have a go at just changing small things and seeing what feels right for you in your project. Now, this is the same logic that robots use to avoid obstacles. When they get so close to something, they'll move away from it. And we'll add sound and personality next time.